In a quiet village on the edge of a dusty plain, there lived a young farmer named Rehan. His father had passed away, leaving him a small plot of land, dry, cracked, and lifeless. Rehan was heartbroken. This was his inheritance, his future. Yet nothing grew here. The villagers said the land was cursed, good only for growing disappointment. He had a small bag of seeds his father left behind. Just enough to try one crop, one chance. But instead of planting them, Rehan did something no one expected. He walked door to door, giving away his only seeds. "Plant these," he said. "Let's grow something, together." They thought he was foolish. But a few accepted. A few dared to believe in something new. Weeks passed. Rain fell. Shoots rose. But Rehan's own field, still empty. Yet he smiled every time he saw green in his neighbors' lands. He helped them. That was enough. Then came the drought. Crops began to wither. But something beautiful happened. Those Rehan helped, came back. With water. Tools. Even their harvests. Together, they revived Rehan's field. Not with seeds alone, but with kindness, sweat, and unity. His once dead land, it bloomed. And not just with crops, with community. That season, the village had its largest harvest in years. And they called it the Harvest of Hope. Rehan taught them something rare. That giving is not about having much. It's about sharing what little you have. Because what you give away, grows back multiplied. Remember, sometimes the best way to feed your own soil, is to first help someone else grow. Because generosity, is the only seed that always returns with a harvest.